Alright guys, we are here with my friend Rais. He has a really sick 523i. We are heading to Genting Highland again, and we are gonna have a lot of fun taking you along with us. I really need a petrol car in my life. Oh my god. Okay, my brakes aren't really gripping as well as they could. Every time, every time. So I'm just gonna check whether I have enough brake pads or not.
Like just now we drove, right? I can see his car, you know, like floating and flying. Because he's using a stock suspension.
Yeah.
How's your adrenaline?
Pretty good, man. The sound, the first time I heard the backfire, my ear hurt. Like I had to, you know, adjust a bit. We discovered today that anything is faster than my car. Rais is gonna tell us about his car.
Yeah.
All the mods he's done, everything, and yeah.
Okay, so in terms of exterior, you guys can see this is a M5 body kit. You know, this is not an original M5. Obviously, it's a convert. You know, so this is the M5 front bumper, fender, and I changed the diffuser as well. Okay, you guys can see here the kind of F1 diffuser. In terms of exterior, as I mentioned just now, I changed the spoiler, carbon fiber, diffuser, carbon fiber, and there's a side lip, little side lip, and side skirt, and okay, and this one side mirror cap, carbon fiber. There's no lips for now because I'm quite scared. You know, it's quite low, and yeah, this what we call it, I'm not really sure. I forgot already the name, but it's a carbon fiber. You guys can see the rims. Yeah, that's pretty much it about it. I just changed the gear knob cover with carbon fiber, and the start stop button, red color. The seat belt, M seat belt. I think that's it for interior. I didn't do much.
How about engine mods? What have you done?
I did a stage 1 plus tune with a Pops and Bangs tune. I did at JC Racing Sunway. Okay, and full piping exhaust with a quad pipe at the back, and then I did a air intake fillet. It's a small one. Okay, not a like huge air intake. Okay, and because of mine is 523i. Okay, I do have a NA performance-wise, not a turbo. So, and in terms of driving-wise, I did H&R Sport Spring and Bilstein B6.
Okay.
Wow, shit. Yeah, I think that's it. It's a clean setup, daily driven setup, and yeah, not a track. Of course, not a track setup. Yeah.
How long have you had this for?
I had this car for 2 years already.
Nice.
Yeah, in terms of maintenance, all good. Just wear and tear issues, that's normal. And yeah, this is my 523i F10.
It feels nice to be stiffer.
Yeah.
Doesn't feel like I'm driving my dad's car, you know? Yeah, you do feel the road more, even if I'm sitting here. But yours are not coilovers, right?
I did change the absorber and
Okay.
HNR sport screen.
Okay.
Yeah.
But you didn't really lower it that much, right? When I lower it, I want to really like... Oh, nice. Okay, it feels weird to be on the other side. Is this what you guys feel? 10 times better than what I'm on.
You guys can follow my YouTube channel, Rais Merican, and I did a few vlogs, you know. Instagram Rais Merican. That's it. And I just want to say thank you to Amme and his team, you know. It's my pleasure to join him.
Ferrari versus BMW. Who's gonna win? Comment down below. Let's find out.